Meaning of Dennis Brain.
Dennis Brain.
Dennis Brain.
Dennis Brain.
Dennis Brain. Dennis Brain was a British-French horn player who was widely considered one of the greatest horn players of the 20th century. He helped to popularize the instrument, and his playing style influenced many subsequent horn players. Unfortunately, his promising career was cut short when he died in a car accident at the age of 36. Despite his relatively short life, Brain's legacy lives on through his recordings and the influence he had on the development of horn playing technique.